Good morning. Today is an asynchronous day because I'm at a training. So everything will be done through this video. So here's the home page that you would have come in on, and you would have noticed announcements. Today is an asynchronous day. Click here for the video. So you're going to click here, or you did click here, which is why you can hear me now. Same thing with the Zoom meeting. There's no Zoom today. You clicked here, which is why you can hear me now. So if you click on this week's module, the wand, or the little pirate dude if you're in 8th grade, you will see here is this week's module. Extra practice, extra credit. We are in week 13, November 30th to December 4th. Here's the agenda for this week. Here is today's warm-up and today's homework. So if we click on the agenda, we don't forget that you have your weekly review that is due tomorrow. You have a warm-up today. Just a reminder that it is an asynchronous day. You can click on the video here. Here are the textbook pages for today's lesson and the video. Here are the textbook pages for today's homework, which match your big ideas online. Okay? So then let's take a look at today's warm-up. Click on today's warm-up Thursday. You do need to make a copy. So make a copy. And ta-da! Okay, you're going to move your arrow. Tell me exactly how you're feeling. And then read the directions. Make a list of the steps you have to take to accomplish an assignment. Chore, responsibility, or goal can help you stay organized on the task. So practice making a list by writing down the different steps you have to take for either making a meal, cleaning your room, completing an assignment, or working on your favorite hobby. So you're going to select whatever it is you want to accomplish, write it here, and then list the steps that it takes to accomplish that. Then here is today's warm-up. So you're going to take a look at this line. And here is the equation that Rodney wrote. This is the linear equation that Rodney wrote for this line. Y equals 30x plus 10. Now there is an error with this equation for this line. You need to find the error and explain right here what Rodney's error was. So you're going to do that with all three of these. And here's the directions. Rodney created a graph of each given linear equation below, but Rodney made mistakes on each of his graphs. Use the typing tool to explain Rodney's errors on the graphs he created. So you can tell me either what the error was with the graph or what the error is with the equation. Either is fine with me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. Okay, if you are in 7 Excel, we are working from the Advanced 2 textbook. If you are in Math 8, we are working from the Course 3 textbook. We are doing lesson 6.2, example 2, and it can be found on page 250. And you're going to find that this is very similar to what we were doing with linear equations. So today we are evaluating a function. Evaluating a function. The book is going to give us an equation. y equals 2x plus 5 when x is equal to 3. So y equals 2x plus 5 when x is equal to 3. So what this means is everywhere where I see an x, I'm going to put in a 3. So here's an x, and where I see an x, I want to substitute 3. So right there. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. Y equals 2 times 3 plus 5. Then I just follow the order of operations to solve it. Y equals 6 plus 5. Y equals 11. So when x is 3, y equals 11. So when x is 3, y equals 11. This is evaluating a function. So let's do another one. The book will give us the equation y equals 4x minus 1. And they want us to evaluate this equation when x equals 5. So everywhere where I see an x, I want to substitute 5. So I'm going to put 5 everywhere where I see an x. So y equals 4 times 5 minus 1. Then I just follow the order of operations to solve. Y equals 20 minus 1. Y equals 19. So when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 19. Easy peasy. Let's do one more. The book will give us the equation y equals 10x. So we want to know what is y equals 10x when x equals 5. So everywhere we see an x, we're going to substitute 5. So we're going to rewrite the equation with 5. Y equals 10 times 5. Y equals 50. So when x equals 5, y equals 50. That's all we're doing today. We are evaluating functions. The book will give us an equation, and then they will ask us to evaluate this function when x is equal to something. You guys got this. You can do it. So now you're going to go to Big Ideas, and you may go ahead and get started on your homework. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.